This week's project was really simple. So simple in fact that I questioned myself as to whether it was worth filming, but as it's part of an ongoing project I thought it was important to do so. The goldfish that I'd stuck in the fish tank fell off the wall, which reminded me that I needed to do some more work on the fish tank. So to make it look more like an aquarium I decided to add some greenery. Being in lockdown I had to use what was available, so I decided to use some thin ply. I'd seen a picture of cartoon grass online, so I based my idea on that. I can't draw photography, so I was worried that this wouldn't look that good, but I was pleasantly surprised at the end result. It was very easy to cut on the scroll saw, but I did have to cut it outside because of the lack of room with the piece being so long. To colour the ply I used some free samples that I got from Osmo. The problem was I only had a 5mm sachet of green, which wasn't going to be enough, so I took a chance on mixing a blue and a yellow sachet to get the green, and it worked out really well. Once dry, all I had to do was re-stick the goldfish back onto the wall and then stick down the grass. I think the grass makes a huge difference to the overall piece, and I'm actually quite pleased with the result. Prior to making the videos on YouTube, I worked as a firefighter for nearly 20 years, serving my community and helping to save lives and promote the fire safety message. Unfortunately, an accumulation of many upsetting scenes became too much for my mind to cope with, and after years of failed therapy I was retired from the service on the grounds of ill health and signed off medically from any employment. To keep myself busy, both body and mind, I developed an interest in woodworking and car mechanics, and with already having a hobby in filming and music, I combined my interests and started making videos here on YouTube, filming, editing and composing my own music for my woodworking and car restoration channels Smugwood and Smugwoodmini. Unfortunately, to produce such videos comes at a price, and with minimal funds after being retired from employment, I've turned to Patreon to see if there is additional support out there which could allow me to continue making the woodworking and car restoration videos. In return for support, there are various levels which are explained in more depth at the Patreon link below, but includes the chance to win one of my YouTube projects made throughout the year, and also inclusion into random prize draws open to patrons only. In addition, I'd like to thank everybody who already subscribes to my channels, or watches, comments, likes and shares them, as it all goes to help support my channels, and for that I'm really appreciative. It's my hope that I can continue making the videos for the foreseeable future. Thanks once again for your continued support.